Today, I'm teaching you guys how we guys can redeem your Roblox code on your mobile. So you cannot redeem your Roblox code using the apps. You cannot do it. So for this, you need to open up your browser. Any browser, doesn't matter. And on your browser, you just want to search for Roblox Redeem. After you search for Roblox Redeem, click on the first option, log into Roblox. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you to log in into your account. Since I've already logged in into my account, it straight up bring me this page. But in your case, it's going to ask you to log in into your account to do that. And versus code. Click on it and enter the code of your gift card. After you enter the gift card's code, roll up it down and click on redeem. And if it is correct, your gift card's gift code will be redeemed, and it can open up your Roblox. If the gift card included Roblox, your account is going to have Roblox. But if it included any other stuff, you're going to get that. So that's how you guys can redeem a Roblox gift code. So if you guys found her video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.